Here is the Torin heavy duty hydraulic jack. So this is a trolley service floor car jack with reinforced lifting arm, 3-ton capacity, coming in at 6,600 pounds. Now this is great for that extra heavy sport utility vehicle because this is a heavy duty jack. Stainless steel material and low profile design, which gives it a minimal height of 5.13 inches. But the weight of this jack is 63.8 pounds. So it's not easily moved or carried around, but it's very easily rolled around, pushed around the shop floor because of the rear caster wheels that have 360 degrees mobility. So the lifting range is 5 1/8 to 18 5/16, which fits definitely most cars, trucks, and SUVs. An overload system prevents use beyond load capacity. It has a quick lift with dual pistons. Compared with ordinary jack, it has more than 3 times the lifting speed with double pump. Comes with a 1-year warranty, and they have great 24-hour customer service. So if you got room for one jack in your garage and you got a nice heavy SUV, or you want the convenience of efficient pump, then this is the jack for you.